Folks, we're now on the inside of the 2700 RL GT Passport. One of the things that we're going to talk about are all the features on the inside that really, when you think of Passport, I like you to think about residual value, which are the things that make this such a great product.
Hi, I'm Jacob Kangas, District Sales Manager for Keystone Passport for Central US and Canada.
I'm Dave Coyle, District Sales Manager for the Southeast, Keystone Passport. And today we are here to talk about our brand new, exciting 2700 RL GT. Today, Jacob is going to take you around the outside.
And Dave is going to teach you in the inside.
Can't wait, let's get started.
The Keystone Passport has a lot of exciting exterior features, starting with our new Girard tankless water heater. The benefits of having this water heater is it uses 10% less propane than a tank does. It's got freeze protection, which means it doesn't have to be winterized. It is super quiet, and you get unlimited hot water, so the whole family can take showers and they still get hot water. Moving over to our pass-through storage here, you have lots of space in here, 45 cubic feet of pass-through storage. And in our convenience center, you've got our key TV, your outside shower, your freshwater connection, your city water connection. You got your power stabilizing jacks, which also now includes a light. I also want to go into depth on two things here. Our key TV, the benefit of having our key TV system is you have a cable going to each one of your TVs, one in your bedroom, one in your living room, and one in a bunk room if that particular model has a bunk room. The benefit of having that is there's no splitters throughout the whole coach, so you get better receptions when you're at the campsites. Also, this blue wire here is also satellite prep, okay? And if you want a satellite on your coach, it's already prepped on top of the roof. All you do is take this blue wire, plug it into your satellite connection here, and bam, you've got cable satellite TV. In our pass-through storage, we have two things I want to talk about. One is our PVC disconnect, which disconnects the power only to your solar panels to your house. The next thing I want to talk about is our solar packages. We offer two solar packages, our 200 and also our 400i. And our 200 standard package comes with a 200 watt solar panel, a 15 amp solar charger, and one 30 amp port on top of the roof. Our 400i includes a 2000 watt inverter, a 30 amp solar charger, 400 watts of solar, and two 30 amp ports on the roof. All of our solar packages are expandable. Moving on to the front of coach, I really want to talk about our GT series front cap. On all of our front caps, we include a 3-year warranty from fading and cracking, which is a big deal. In the front here where our batteries are located, we had to redesign our front area so you can fit 2 Group 27 batteries, unlike our competitors that only can fit 1 battery. On all of our Passports, we have a power package, which includes a power tongue jack, power stabilizing jacks, and also a power awning. Also a new feature in our front pass-through storage this year is going to be our tire pressure monitoring system PREP. Okay, that's going to be on every single model across the board. And also I want to talk about our huge pass-through storage. Again, 45 cubic feet of pass-through storage, one of the largest storages in the ultralights. On all of the Passport GTs, they come with a solid step, they come with a large grab handle, and our new JBL speakers. On every Passport GT will come standard with a rear ladder, camera ready, a spare tire, and a rear bumper that has storage for your sewer hose. Now, let's go talk to Dave inside. Come on.
Folks, we're now on the inside of the 2700 RL GT Passport, and we had Jacob show us all the great features of the outside. One of the things that we're going to talk about are all the features on the inside that really, when you think of Passport, I like you to think about residual value, which are the things that make this such a great product. And inside the RL, what we notice right away when we come in is our furniture, because we are rear living. The other things that we do with Keystone and Passport, you're going to notice windows. Windows are in every single aspect of this unit. We believe in the crossbeams. And you know what about our units? Windows are going to open, they're going to be shaded, and obviously going to have in special placements, so we always have that constant cross breeze going on. Another benefit that we have in the 2700 RL Passport, when we are in a couples coach, you'll notice we have the fireplace, and that is true in every single coach that we have that is not a bunkhouse in the GT model. Another advantage that we get in the GT is the bigger television, the 40-inch TV that you have. Our TV this year is a 2023 new feature. Also has the sound bar with it attached to the JBL speakers that Jacob was talking about on the outside. One of the great things about this is, especially if you go up to 400i, you also can run this right off your batteries. Don't even have to be plugged in, which is an awesome feature when you go up to the 400i in our solar package. So another factor that we always forget to talk about, we get inside and we saw the cool features and how great it looks in color. Let's talk about three things in Passport. Remember I just mentioned to you earlier about residual value. Let's talk about a couple of things here that are very important. One, our roof, not only the GT, you notice it's arced. I'm 6 foot, so this gives me a lot more clearance in here. Feels like it's not as tight, which is huge. But also our roof is fully walkable and it has a lifetime warranty on the roof itself. Number two, our sides in the business are the only ones that are tested through time in a humidity marked environment and temperature marked environment before it's even put on the sides of the unit. So you literally have the best roof warranty in the business. You have two of the most tested sides in the industry. And what I want to share with you right now is what's underneath this particular flooring that we have here. This is a laminate. And underneath this is what's going to change the RV business forever. It's called HyperDeck flooring. One of the things that Keystone's done is they put a lot of money into the testing environment of what's going on with this floor that we have. There's really three distinct layers that we'll talk about, and we'll keep it basic. But essentially underneath our laminate floor here, we have this, which is all one piece, mind you, not in pieces, but one piece fit for the actual unit itself. And you'll notice that there are three distinct layers. The top layer is a layer that actually the laminate goes over the top of, and it has the same screw retention as wood. That allows us to put in our sides and anything else that's coming in like walls and so on and so forth into the unit down tight so it's not going to obviously fall apart. The second thing that's really great about that is a lot of people think outside the box in their RVs today, and what they may want to do is add maybe a desk or a new storage facility that they can add for clothes or whatever, and they can actually screw into that to hold things in place. It's the middle layer that I'm pointing at right now. We like to call this the inorganic layer. I like to use. I don't like to use sponge. I don't like to use styrofoam because they imply weakness. This 2-inch inorganic barrier, because of what our scientists have found, is that it will not break down over 10 years. And as a result, this floor will forever be one of those floors that we don't have to worry about mushiness in it as it gets older. So it's going to change the design forever. And then finally, this part on the back is a wicking agent type part of the floor. Also, you see a little sublayer of it underneath where any water that would come in from the sides or anywhere is going to be wicked out so it doesn't go into the heated underbelly. That's the HyperDeck floor. So now we have lifetime on the roof itself. We have the two best tested sides in the industry, and now without a doubt, one of the best floors that you can have, making Passport one of those top residual values when you get into a travel trailer. We've been talking about residual value with Passport, and especially the GTs, some of the things that really make them cool. And one of those things that we're also talking about is, notice we don't have regular carpet, we have marine grade carpet. So unfortunately, we've all been down that road before where we have the new puppy we want to take with us and it's not properly trained yet. It goes wee-wee on the carpeting here, right? But what's cool about this is that you can soak it up immediately, or if it does go into the fabric, it is stain resistant, which makes it very nice and will wear for a long time. Also, one of the cool benefits of what we have with Passport is what we call our blade technology. In our price point, nobody has a travel trailer that actually zone cools like our cars or our homes, but we do it here with Passport and Keystone. Basically, what blade technology allows us to do is it allows us to redirect airflow to different portions of the coach depending on what times you're using it. For example, if it's a rainy day and everybody's here in the back, we can direct most of the airflow to the back of the unit to make it cooler. If you want to have more airflow going to the front and it's night, we can direct more airflow that way. Once again, making Passport one of the unique travel trailers in the industry. One of the great things too about Passport and GT models are the nice blinds that we have, which are the roller shade blinds. With one little pull, they roll right up very nice and easy for us. Again, accessing our windows that are always going to open and are always tinted. One of the other things that makes great about here is we have what we call our freestanding dinette table. And just when you think it can't get any more exciting, here we are over here in the kitchen area of the Passport 2700 RL. One of the great things about it is the Furrion microwave. We have the stovetop, 3-burner Furrion, and also oven. One of the great features this year that we changed is the refrigerator that we have. Cool thing about this is because it's a 12-volt refrigerator, it can also be run off of the solar package that we offer with this, which means it can be charging and running 2 to 3, 4 days before you even take off on your trip, and it's already ready to rock and roll. About an hour and a half to get the whole thing cold. It's amazing. The main bathroom in this particular 2700 RL is a pass-through bathroom that goes both to the actual master bedroom and back out into where we were at, which was into the main living area. And one of the cool things that we have now with Passport in the shower is our shower curtain that we have. As the shower curtain rolls back, has a 5-year warranty on the actual mechanism itself, and it's also self-cleaning, which makes it great. I wish I had it in my home because I wouldn't have to do the cleaning, right? One other thing that's cool about the bathroom is all the storage that we have. Take a look. You've got an upper vanity that you have right here. You have several places for storage here. And also on this side, one of the cool things are the little storage shelves that you have underneath. Everything that we do with Keystone and Passport, we're always thinking of storage. And another great 2023 addition to the 2700 RL, all GT models will also have this, is the new central vacuum that we have in place for the units. And now we're in the front of the 2700 RL, and one of the things that's really nice about this, and the only floor plan that we have, offers us an exit out of the bedroom. Another great thing about all of our Passports is that we have a full-size residential queen 60 by 80. So that means that if you need a unique mattress, as long as you go to any mattress store that has a queen size full bed, you can swap the mattress out. Storage underneath it, as well as ample storage on top. You also have access to add a second AC if you'd like in this unit, although one seems to be working just fine. Jacob, great job showing everybody about the outside of the brand new Passport 2700 RL.
Well, thank you, Dave, and great job showing him the inside.
Well, thank you.
If you want more videos, please like and subscribe below.
And remember, Keystone wants you to camp better.